Hey guys, we received this Tudor 7-inch toilet potty stool for test and try. It's a proper posture squatting poop step for adults, anti-slip lightweight bathroom potty stools for toilet, stable and durable design. Let me just open it and then install this. So basically, it's like a squatty potty where you can use your feet or leg on a rest, and then you give a squat position to yourself in a toilet for the easy evacuation of your stool. So this is very helpful for something, and you can see like assembly is pretty straightforward, and you can just put in these legs along with these hooks. I am just not putting it too tight, but just to show you. So these are more comfortable thing, and you can see like it holds well with these rubber grips. Very easy to use and pretty straightforward. You can use your feet on top of it, and you can just sit on the toilet. So here, like in the toilet, this cut is easily comes with this and goes inside with the toilet, and then you can just put your feet comes in a squat position for your daily routine. So very nice, easy to clean and store. Very nice body stool.